In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete Shopify store step by step, perfect for beginners who want to start selling online. We'll go through every part, from creating your Shopify account, setting up your store, customizing your theme, adding products, creating collections, and connecting payments. By the end of this video, you'll have your own live Shopify store ready to launch. First, scroll down to this video's description or pinned comment and click on my special Shopify link. By using this link, you will unlock exclusive offers, a 3-day free trial, and then 3 months for just $1 per month. It's a great way to start and test your Shopify store without spending much. Once you're on the Shopify website, simply create your account using your email and password, or continue with your Google account for quick sign up. Next, you'll be taken directly to your Shopify dashboard. This is your Shopify dashboard, the main control center of your store. On the left, you'll see menus for home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and online store. Now let's customize your store's look. On the left menu, click on Online Store Arrow Themes. You'll see the default theme called Dawn. It's clean and modern, perfect for most beginner stores. Click Customize to open the theme editor. Here, you can edit your homepage layout, change colors, add sections, and upload your logo. Click on the header to add your logo and navigation menu. You can replace the hero image with your product photo or a banner that represents your brand. Change the text to something simple, like "Welcome to my store" or your brand tagline. If you scroll down, you can add featured products, image with text, or testimonials. Shopify's editor is drag and drop, so you don't need any coding knowledge. If you want a different look, click Explore Free Themes. Shopify offers free themes for fashion, electronics, jewelry, and more. Select one that fits your business type and click Add to install it. Next, let's add your first product. Go to the Products tab on the left and click Add Product. Here, enter your product title, description, and price. You can upload product images, select inventory quantity, and choose shipping options. Under Product Status, select Active to make it visible on your store. You can also add product variants like size, color, or material if needed. Click Save, and your first product is live on your Shopify store. Once your first product is added, it's a good idea to organize your products into collections. Collections are like categories. They help your customers browse your store easily. To create one, go to Products, Collections, Create Collection. Give it a name like T-shirts and choose whether products are added manually or automatically based on conditions like price or type. Click Save, and your collection is ready. You can later assign products to collections when adding or editing them. Next, we'll connect payments so your customers can buy from you. Go to Settings, Payments. Shopify supports credit cards, PayPal, and multiple other payment providers. Activate the options you want to offer. Once connected, your store will be able to accept payments securely. After payments, it's time to configure shipping. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, set up shipping zones and rates. You can choose free shipping, flat rates, or real-time carrier calculated rates. Make sure to save your settings so orders will process smoothly. Finally, it's time to launch your store. Go to Online Store Domains. You can buy a custom domain from Shopify or use the free Shopify domain. Double check that all your products, pages, and settings are correct. Congratulations, your Shopify store is now live and ready to start selling. From here, you can continue adding products, tweaking your theme, and promoting your store to attract customers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tutorials.